Buenos dias! Welcome back to Immediate Immersion, where we dive into all things language learning. Today, I want to share with you my top 5 strategies for introducing new vocabulary in a comprehension-based language classroom. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these tips. I'll be right back. Strategy number 1, visuals and gestures. We all know that a picture is worth 1,000 words, right? By incorporating visuals and gestures, we can make the meaning of new words crystal clear for our students. So get creative. Draw pictures, use flashcards, or even act out the word with exaggerated gestures. Engage your students' visual and kinesthetic senses and watch their understanding soar. Moving on to strategy number 2. Meaningful context and stories. Language is most effectively learned when it is connected to real-life situations. So instead of just giving your students a list of random vocabulary words, embed them in meaningful contexts and stories. Create scenarios or narratives that showcase the new vocabulary in action. This way, your students will not only remember the words better, but also develop a deeper understanding of their usage. Now let's jump into strategy number 3. Repetition and review. We all know that practice makes perfect, and language learning is no exception. To help our students truly internalize new vocabulary, we must provide multiple exposures to the words. Incorporate repetition exercises such as flashcards, games, TPR, and scaffolded questioning. And don't forget to regularly review previously learned words to keep them fresh in your students' minds. Strategy number 4 is all about making connections. Remember, learning doesn't happen in isolation. To help your students grasp new words faster, connect them to their prior knowledge and experiences. Encourage discussions, ask questions, and relate the vocabulary to familiar concepts or personal experiences. By doing so, you'll activate your students' background knowledge and create meaningful associations that will strengthen their language acquisition. Have you heard? We did a complete 10-episode webinar series in our first annual CI Summer Camp. This is a great CI starter course as well as a CI refresher for those experienced CI teachers out there. It's packed with both practical and advanced tips and tricks to help you reach a level of success like never before. All classes have been recorded and you can have access to them through August 31st, 2024. Learn more and register at mm.us/summercamp. Now let's get on with strategy number 5. Last but not least, strategy number 5, student communication. Language learning is all about communication. So encourage your students to use the new vocabulary in their own speech and writing. Provide opportunities for them to practice the words in meaningful conversations, role plays, or even creative writing tasks. This not only helps solidify their understanding, but also boosts their confidence and fluency. And there you have it, my fellow language teachers, my top 5 strategies for introducing new vocabulary in a comprehension-based language classroom. Remember, learning should be fun, engaging, and interactive. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which strategy resonates with you the most? Have you tried any of these in your classroom? Let's start a conversation and share our experiences. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more language learning content, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy comprehensible input.